Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Claudia from Learn and Play Tampa Bay, brought to you by the Glacier Children's Museum and generously funded by the Children's Board of Hillsborough County. So today we're going to be making a very cute turtle. I know I am very big fan of turtles. I actually call my daughter my little turtle too. So for this turtle we're going to need paper plates. You can decide if you want to use small or large paper plates. We're going to need construction paper or any kind of paper you have at home to make your turtle. Part of being creative is doing things however you want. Cut the template first and start decorating the shell. I already have one right here. So for the shell you can do two things. One of them, for my little ones who are not very used to using a scissor, we can just tear the paper in very small pieces to decorate our shell. For our older ones, and you know who you are, you might want to use a scissor. That way we practice our cutting skills. So you can cut stripes and then cut little squares. Yes? All right. So now we have all our squares and we're going to put some glue on our paper plate. That way we are going to decorate it. Okay, once we have finished covering our shell, cutting our head, our feet, and our tail, we are going to put everything together. It's like a puzzle, right? You have to remember that the head goes in the front, the tail goes in the back, and the feet go on the bottom. Don't forget to put their eyes, because we all have eyes, right? So we need them to see. That's right. So we have all our turtle put together. Now, if you want to use it as a puppet, you can stick a craft stick in the back. Use tape or glue and stick it in the back. If you don't have craft sticks, you can use a straw, you can use a pencil or an old pen or a marker, anything that will help you keep it up just like this. So how about that, guys? Isn't it cute? So please don't forget to send us your videos so we can see how your turtles came out. We love to see all your work. All right, my friends. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on our social media so you can see all our fun videos. And also we can share your videos to our other friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.